Hi everybody, this is Dinsafer official channel. Following the last video, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up the system. We'll start from this main panel. Firstly, we need to remove the battery cover and the battery to insert a micro SIM card. You see SIM card holder here. Then turn on the main panel power switch. The status indicator will flash red, which means the system is initiating. We'll wait until the main panel beeps. The status indicator flashing in 3 colors, green, red and blue. It means the system is ready to be paired. To set up your account and pair with the system, use your mobile phone to download the app from Google Play or Apple Store. Open the app and allow the permissions in pop-up windows. Tap Add a new device, select Quick Setup, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. The system will search the nearby devices via Bluetooth. This feature is also widely adopted by Google, Amazon, and other tech giants. Select the device and rename it. Input 4-digit PIN for the system. The PIN is also used for keypad. Select the Wi-Fi you'd like to connect and input the password. Another beep means the main panel pairing process is done. Here's dashboard of the app. The bottom right corner is to enter homepage. You can see the device status and event log here. It takes little time to sync the real-time status of the main panel at the first use. Now it has been synced. The top right corner is to enter system setting. Before entering setting, you need to select time zone first. Here's setting page. Device management, accessory management, customized rules, and advanced settings. The right column is app settings. Now we go back to the home page to operate the system. Before changing the status of the system, you need to select the language of security notifications. This system supports Siri control for iPhone. You can arm, disarm the system. Home arm the system. It always responds very fast with low latency. Now let's try SOS. All of the accessories in the kit has been prepared. So just pull out the insulative strips from the back of PIR and contact sensor to power up. Temper switch. You can use remote control to change system status. Disarm, arm, home arm. It always responds very fast. Let's try with contact sensor. Once the contact sensor is opened while the system is armed, SOS will be triggered. Push notification will be sent to your phone. For iPhone, you'll have critical alert even your phone is muted or in Do Not Disturb mode. Okay, we have tested the basic function of the alarm system. In the next video, I'll show you more features about the alarm system, like smart following, timed task, RF supervision, etc. That's all. Thank you for watching.